Hey gang, a number of my viewers, who shall remain nameless, have been complaining about the length and thickness of my sleeves. So I thought I'd take this video indoors so that I can wear my proper attire. I hope you're happy, nameless viewers. For today's video, we're going to talk about shrinkage. And I know what you're thinking, this is long overdue. I should have addressed caulk shrinkage since day one. We've all been there, right? Things get a little cold and caulk shrinks up. It's an issue that everybody deals with, but not very many people address it, so I'm going to try and tackle it today. In my case, I've got this exterior wall here. Still needs to be trimmed, still waiting on a cabinet, but more importantly, you'll see that my caulk is completely shrunk up. That was sealed real nice, and now it's not, so we're gonna fix it. First thing we're gonna do is scrape out the old caulk. Don't want any of that in when we put in the new stuff. Make sure you clean up after yourself. Taping may seem like overkill, but because I'm working with a sanded caulk that's supposed to match the grout, you're gonna want to tape it. Sanded caulk is not like regular silicone caulk. It is a lot messier, and this is all brand new backsplash and countertop, so I don't really want to mess anything up. Like I alluded to earlier, sanded caulk is just not quite as easy to work with. Just do your best to put down a nice even bead and then flatten it out with your finger just like you would with any other caulk. Rookie mistake, I should have peeled the tape off from the other side so I could get it all in one nice long piece. This really ruined my reveal. The caulk line is a little bit thicker than I would have liked, but it's about the same thickness as the grout lines, and hopefully that will prevent future shrinkage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to tune in next week to see me get jiggy with it.